Welcome to our precision sheet metal factory, where tradition meets technology. From the moment you pass our cultural wall, you'll sense a legacy of craftsmanship and innovation. And there is a clear direction and goal. We have a very young and energetic team. Our facility is equipped with advanced processes: laser cutting, bending, welding, grinding, and assembly, ensuring precision at every stage. With rigorous quality checks and a streamlined workflow from raw materials to finished products, we deliver excellence you can trust. Discover a factory built on expertise and efficiency. Our spaces, from the raw material zoning to testing labs and parts storage, are designed for seamless production. Each product undergoes meticulous assembly and inspection before reaching the display cabinet. We combine skilled craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology to exceeding expectations. Welcome to Shengwo Machinery SW.